I think we're live, hopefully. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Eggheads, Rocketeers. Thanks for joining us for another LoudEgg, Rocket Hub, I guess Rocket Egg, we're going to call it. I don't know, something, session with my good friend Karan and joined by the founder of StoreGrowth, Mahedi. Thanks for joining us and giving some time to go over your new extension, your new tool.
All right, amazing. Everyone, eggheads, rocketeers, thank you so much for joining in. Today, I think we are meeting Mehdi and Joe. Thank you, Joe, for organizing this. Grateful for the community and what they have given us, supported Rocket Hub and Soul Growth. So, welcome, Mehdi. Thank you so much for taking out time. Let's introduce yourself to the community and let everyone know how people from Bangladesh are awesome.
Okay. Hey Joe, Karan, thanks for welcoming me here, and I'm really pleased to be just represent Store Growth as a founder. So yeah, I would like to share about Store Growth. So should I share my screen or just
Yeah, first let everyone know, your background, some overview about why you had the idea of starting store growth and what made you go into this, the WooCommerce space, which is, it needs a lot of, advancements, needs a lot of stuff. So, why did you contribute to them and not Shopify? What made you contribute to WooCommerce?
okay? For the audience, I would like to share my insight behind the Store Growth. So yeah, as a founder, I started Store Growth and Infuso. Um, I'm also a developer, and I started my journey around like since 2013. So it has been almost 10 years journey as a developer. So in this meantime, I have developed and helped lots of clients to build their website, build plugins. So at the time, I have noticed that to build a e-commerce site, the main pain point is that at least you need uh, 10 to 20 add-ons at least. Like WooCommerce is sufficient to start a basic shop, but when you would like to extend the features, then definitely you need additional add-ons. So like around 10 to 20 add-ons. So in this pain point, like when you need uh, 10 or 20 add-ons, then definitely you have to purchase those licenses. You have to manage licenses, you have to update. So very often I have seen that like on add-on is conflicting with another add-on. So like your site is somehow your site sometimes down, and you don't know that site has been down because of conflict. So as well as when you're using multiple add-ons as a store owner, so at the time your website is being slow, and you know that slow website is not positive for SEO and for visitors. And very often if your site are loading slow, so in that time there have lots of possibility to increase the abandoned cart. So as well as another point is money. Like when you're planning to buy 10 or 20 modules, at least it will cost you more than $1,000. So from that case, I thought that why 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 something like that? Can I make a scope that like create all the essentials add-ons in on plugins, and let's help the store owner, they can run their store smoothly. We just remove that hassle, don't need to buy a multiple license, don't need to manage multiple plugins. So they can get all the essential modules or plugins in on bundle that can help to boost their conversion, speed up the site, just remove the abandoned cart. So that was the scenario in my mind, and from that scenario I have developed store growth. And already lots of people are using it, and they're sharing their positive feedbacks, and I am really enjoying that. So it like I have released store growth in 2023, but as it has lots of features, and I took time after initial release. I just shared with my friends, my nearly close brothers. So they gave me some initial feedbacks, and I worked on them. After their feedback, I just developed and then make it more furnished and stable. So yeah, that's the story behind the store growth.
Hmm. Awesome, amazing. I think that's great. So you are doing a good service to the whole community, WordPress community. Like you're saving their money. That's what I would say. Saving their hassles. They don't need to go and disable each plugin and see which one is causing the site to go down, show the error, 500, whatever it is. So
Yes.
again, that's amazing. Thank you so much. And let's get behind, let's go behind the walls and see what StoreGrowth all about. You can show all the 10 modules which you have released and kind of give a brief about how each of them works, and then we can take it from there.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. Let me share my screen. Mm, share screen. Share screen. Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. It's true. Yeah, it is. Uh, as I have said, that mostly there is nothing super new or super exclusive, but all the features that people are thinking mostly are here in StoreGrowth. So before starting the presentation, StoreGrowth roadmap. So Karan, I'm just sending the roadmap here with you, so you can share the roadmap with the audience, so they can know that what we are planning for future release, and that will be easy for them. If they have any question or any feature request, they can add in our roadmap. So yeah, I've shared the roadmap with you, so you can share with the audience. Okay, so right now we have 10 modules in store growth. So very first, I'd like to show you that how you can install the StoreGrowth. So from your WordPress dashboard, you can just go to add new plugins and simply search StoreGrowth, and you'll see that this is StoreGrowth and activated. After activated, you will just get the dashboard of StoreGrowth. So in dashboard you'll see that initial overview videos and documentation links, support links, and if you have any request, you can submit the request from here. And on the store growth dashboard menu, you will notice there have modules menu, settings, documentation. Okay, so click on the modules. Here is the nice and clean module page. So how our modules actually works? So it works as a as a plugin, just like click on the toggle button to enable or disable. Just a 1 second time it will take to enable or disable. So any modules that you need, you can just choose from here, and you can just enjoy its feature. So first of all, I would like to show flycard. So flycard module is deactivated. Now I have activated the flycard module, and when I reload the page, here is the flycard. So I just created a demo. That's why they have some predefined settings. Just let me reset that. Okay, so when a module is activated, just click on the settings. It will just redirect you to the settings page. So here is the flycard settings page. I'm just resetting the options. After resetting the options, if I go to the front page, you'll notice that a nice flycut icon on your bottom right. And if you click on this on that icon, the flycut is here. So how Flycart actually serve you. So Flycart, it will add the products on the fly without reloading the page, and just it will uh, skip the default cart process. Like what happens that when you by default add the product in your cart, like you click on add to cart, then it just redirect you to the cart page, and then it you have to click on the proceed to checkout, then it will redirect you to the checkout page. After that you can just fill the details and complete the purchasing. Okay, but in the fly cart everything are on the fly. So let me just remove the just uh, predefined added products. Okay, okay, so for example if I click add to cart, so you will notice that this product is added to cart and the cart drawer just open automatically. So you see how easy it is to add a product to the cart, and you can just add your coupon code. If user can add the coupon code if they have the coupon code to get the discount, and after that if user thinks that he would like to add more products, he can just keep shopping. Let's add another product to the cart, and then like he is thinking to go to the action, like purchase, complete the purchase. So click on checkout, and you see that the checkout page are here on the fly. I have noticed few companies or few authors, they offer a fly cart. On that case only they can load the fly cart in a drawer, but they cannot load the checkout on the drawer. But we're lucky and we have done good engineering here that Flycart can also load the checkout on the same page, so you don't need to uh, just redirect you to the checkout page. Actually what it like how it works for other companies or other products. So what happens that in this case, like your cart and checkout process will be complete within 2-3 seconds, and it will help your customer to purchase very easily, and it will save you from lots of abandoned cart. So yeah, that's a very easy checkout experience for your users, for your customers. So in the settings panel, I'd like to just navigate some settings. So sometimes you may think that I don't need a side card, I would like to get the center card. So here is the center card. And center card, how it will happen that if you add any product to cart, the cart will open in the center. So sometimes some store owners might feel that that is best fit for them. And as well as you can just control all the settings here, like show product image, show remove image, show quantity picker, show product price, show coupon, cart panel auto opens. So all the things are controllable from here. And then you can just set custom positions for your card. Like uh, sometimes some cases something it like that someone have a quick chat or chatbot on bottom left, bottom right. So in that case the card position and the chat icon might get overlapped or conflicted. So in that case you can just select different position for card, like center right, uh, bottom left, center left. So what is best fit for you. As well as you can change the cart icons. Here we have some cart icons available, and based on your branding colors you can just change the branding colors. As well as you can change the button background color, and you can change the cart icon color. You can change the widget background color. you can change the product background color. So all the available branding guidelines are here. So store owners, they can just uh, change the branding colors, change the icons, and all the required settings managed from here. So that's all about Flycart. And
Okay, that's that's awesome. So before we move to the next module, I think there were some questions about does this fly card collude with a default checkout, right? Let's say a WooCommerce site has a default checkout. So like, does it like if you just enable this module, it will automatically replace the checkout which the site already has, correct? And when someone clicks on checkout, it will just have the store growth checkout and not the default WooCommerce checkout,
yeah,
right?
so yes, when you enable the Flycart, so then it will just use the Flycart checkout. So it will not redirect it you to the default checkout page.
Got it. Yeah, cool. Yeah, that was the major question about this module. Rest people are very much clear about what it does. Yep, good.
There was
And
one
one more.
question also, sorry about it's not showing up in our stream, but Mabel was just asking the shopping cart, does that include sales tax? And what about payment gateways, if since we're still on this?
Okay, so actually this cart checkout page, this checkout page is the default WooCommerce checkout page. We have rendered this page here. So all the things are supported in WooCommerce checkout that will be available here. So don't need to worry about additional supports.
Okay.
So the general all the things will supported in checkout page that will be loaded here. So that was the question.
Yeah, I think that covers it. We can go over
Okay.
more questions towards the end, but yeah, I just wanted to get that one. Thanks.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, now I'll just show you direct checkout. So direct checkout module already is enabled. So I'll not show you how to enable or disable. So to make it short and quick, I'll just prepare the demo. So yeah, this is the direct checkout process. So let me show you how direct checkout actually work. Okay, sometimes users might feel that they have a product and they don't want user add this product to cart and just directly buy it. In that case, buy now or direct checkout is really helpful. So for example, now I have the buy now or direct checkout or add to cart redirect enabled. So if I click on the buy now, then you'll see that that the checkout page are directly being populated here. So users can easily buy a product just after on click. So here have two settings controls. Sometimes uh, store owners might feel that I would like to redirect him to that legacy checkout page, so he can enable the legacy checkout. And when he enables the legacy checkout, what happens that click on the buy now, and it will redirect it you to the default checkout page. So that's the on scenario. And another scenario is that the Flycart auto open checkout, like as I have shown very fast, that if I click on the Flycart checkout. Okay, so yeah, that's on. So sometimes store might feel that I don't my customer spends times to redirect on another page, and store owners might feel that it will be very helpful for the customers if they can purchase within no time. So it will help to purchase the product within no time. So that's the process for direct checkout. And I think that there have two more settings, that if a store owner feels that he only wants to show the buy now on the shop page or even on the product page, so just enable or disable from here, and change the text from here. And for design options, it is same for all the modules, that they can just control all the designs from here, like button color, text color. As usual, I think that any users or store owners just visit the design section, he can enjoy designing a button from here. Like he can change a button color, text color, everything from here, size, radius, border width, border color, overview border, everything from here. So I think that no need too much explain for that case, and I'll just end the review for direct checkout. And it is very powerful, and all the required settings are here. Like sometimes, if users feel that the add to cart button, here it is, he can just change this button to buy now, that all the buttons will behave like buy now button. And if the users if the store owners feels that he will enable the buy now for a specific on or more product, then he can just check this button and visit a product page and enable the buy now button. So that's all about direct checkout. And it's my apologies to the audience if they feels that I'm just being quick or short, because today I'm quite bit sick. So I'm not very comfortable. So sometimes I might be in hurry or quick. So I'm so sorry for that. It's
Oh,
my
you're doing a great job. You're a trooper.
Yeah.
You know how you can get
Yeah.
through this with a cold. Forget it. You did
You
great.
resemble your own plugins.
okay. So now, thank you.
I
Yeah.
got some questions. I guess we can go through. Let's see. We
Okay.
got, yeah, Mabel said, yeah, nice. The plugin looks easy to use with templates. Let's see. Here we go. Integration with Fluent CTM or Flowmatic through webhooks.
Like Fluent CTM, Fluent.
No, Flowmatic
It's
is yeah, that
Flumatic is the like Zapier or Pabgi, and
yeah,
Fluent.
yeah,
He's
they can put
talking
on the
about Fluent
WordPress
CRM.
website. Yeah.
Actually, I just got this question in past, but I think that this have quite low relation with our products. But we'll assess these features, and if it's really helpful, we'll just try to like R&D, and then if that fit for our case, then I will just think about its implementation. Okay. So now,
There are already so many free plugins available in this niche. How will you make yours profitable and sustainable? Yeah, the future. Everyone thinks about, how will you scale it, etc. Any plans after the LTD lifetime deal?
okay, that's a very good question. Okay, so like our 10 modules here. So like it are these are freemium based module. So few features are free for like basic uses, and advanced features are locked as a pro. But we have planned that in upcoming modules, like we will just make most of the modules pro. Like 10 modules are free, but most of the modules remain are will be locked. So yeah, uh, that's how we are planning to like make money or after the LTD. And let's see, because there are many plugins, but in our case I think that we're different, because we are giving the beautiful admin, beautiful controls, and all the essential settings. So if a user plugins, I think that for sure they will love it, because most of the free plugins contains lots of advertisement and
Yeah.
very poor design in the admin panel, and their admin panel are not react based. So you have to click and wait for 8 to 10 seconds for visiting another page, another settings. So I think that we are ahead from that case.
Okay. Compatibility with other plugin like Bricks, Elementor. I guess with other themes, the Bricks Builder, Elementor. It works with all the WordPress themes.
Yes, store growth is not dependable on any page builder. It is standalone. So any page builder or any theme you are using, no matter what the theme or the plugin, store growth is compatible with you. So you can use without hesitation.
It just needs the WooCommerce to work
Yes,
with
yes,
that. Yeah, and that's the main
yes.
thing.
Okay.
Integration with local payment gateways.
Okay. So store growth is not like that. So for example, a e-commerce store, it will be just like if a WooCommerce that support a payment gateway, store growth will work with that, because store growth is like a boost conversion tools, and it has no relation with the payment gateways or checkout part. So all the supported payment gateways, it will work with store growth.
Okay. Asif, again, what's your strategy to differentiate it from others? So I guess we kind of covered it with your last answer, but I guess your strategy, like going forward, if anything, you could share.
Okay. Okay, so I think that I agree with Joe that we can just take these questions after the presentation, and that will help. That will be helpful for everyone. Without a distraction, we can just let us represent our features first.
I know, gotcha.
Okay,
And
so Joe, can should we focus on presentation or just take the question right now?
it's up to you. I mean, we're just going through the questions. If you want to answer it now, because the presentation was kind of over, the demo, right? So if you want, or did you want to share your screen and show some other things?
Okay, okay, let me show you other features.
Okay. Yeah, it's up to
So
you.
Yeah, we
Okay.
can do that. I think
Okay.
then we can then take the rest of the
Okay.
questions later, like when
Yeah.
we have more.
Perfect.
okay, so now let me show you the floating bar. Okay, so floating bar is something that you can create your own promotion, deal promotion in your own site. Like you have multiple products, yeah, multiple products on your site you're selling, but when someone visiting your site, and if he notices that you have something on deal, and it is really helpful or useful product for the users, then he can just directly click from here and grab the deal. And nowadays floating notification bar is really useful and very top-notch features that requires for all the store owners. So there is nothing new to explain about this. So about the floating bar, it is very easy and handy. That just let me overview, just represent, tell you that you can control the bar position here. You can set the bar type. You can change the text. You can change the icon. You can upload custom icon for the banner, and you can control that where it will be visible only on desktop or mobiles. You can change the button text. You can add set the custom urls for the buttons. You can set the countdown timer, like when the deal, or when it will start and when it will end. you can just show the coupon code. Sometimes someone might feel he will show the coupon code. So here is the option that you can show the coupon code, and as well as you can show the display rules, and the trigger when someone visiting your shop, and when the a notification bar will appear. So if you set the time here, like after few seconds or after a scroll, you can set the time here, and you can target the page. uh, so on the selected, you can set the specific page, and then you can just select that with whether user is logged in or not, as well as you can uh, check the design section. So right now we have one template, but we have more templates coming in upcoming days. So here you see that they have uh, uh, controls for the banner height, fonts family, font size, background color. You can change the background color. You can change the text color. So all the required settings are here. So most of the cases for all the modules, design section are complete. So you can customize the modules preview without writing a custom css. So most of the time you don't need to write custom css. Okay, so that's about the floating bar. And now I'm going to discuss about quick view. Okay, so quick view is like something already you know that when you are just going to purchase a product, and for example, if I click on the album, you see that this product is loading on a single page. But what happens that I don't want to see the page reload. So in that case, you click on quick view, and your product details and product images, all things that are functional on single page view, that you can check on the fly. So here a most useful features that you can uh, get a slide for all the products. So don't you don't need to just open a product and cross this on, then click on another quick view, not like that. So you can check all the product details just by clicking next, before and after a button, next and previous button. And these buttons will be functional according to the settings. So here is the settings. You can change the effect. You can change the add to cart behavior. So what will happen when you click on add to cart on quick view, and then just if you add the product to cart, and it will open the fly cart automatically. See
So
that.
basically, this reduces the friction, right, of them going to the product page and then adding to the cart. So that's
Yes.
that's one step, yes, in kind of reaching the checkout. So yeah,
Yes.
that's the significance of this.
Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing that there have many more quick view, but they don't have this kind of features that users can get from them. So that's how we are trying to differentiate our features from others. Yeah. For the quick view, we have the button settings, that how the button will behave. So instead of text button, we can enable the icon, and there have the other settings, that button position, where the button will and the place on the view, and then enable view details. Like, let me show you. like just someone is just visiting this page and might feel that I would like to see more in details, then in that case he can visit the single product page. So just you have to enable that settings from here, and from the design section, uh, that is the as it is design settings for the users, they can control for the quick view. So that's all about I would like to represent about quick view. So let me go to the next module. Okay. Okay, so this is the stock bar. So let me go to the shop page. So actually how it works that um, you have a product and it will show a stock count bar that this product um, have this product has that much availability, and it will show the count like available and total sold. So if the product if for example customer is visiting the site, and if he notices that this product is going to sold or stock out, it will create FOMO or urgency. So it will help to take a decision that should I grab this deal or product before it going to stock out. So this will help to increase your sell. So it is very easy to use for now. um, just you have to visit the product page and edit the product and enable the stock and enable the add the quantity, and thus it will enable the stock bar. But we are planning to add more features so users can control from here, like uh, conditional some conditional logics we are planning to implement, that he can select a categories or products that have that lower quantity availability, and that will be easily that will be very easy for store owner to control. So in upcoming release we will add that. Yeah, that's the stock bar. So that's all about the stock bar, and then this is sales notification. So what about the sales notification? That when you are visiting a site, and it works like sales proof or social proof that someone is buying this product, or this product on a trend, or someone from your near location has purchased this product. So it will create trust inside the users. So you see that pop-up is appearing here on bottom left. So that's the sales notification how it works, and it is quite more heavy in function and settings. So here is the settings that uh, how enable or disable show in mobile or not. Stop pop-up visibility on close, like sometimes users can close this pop-up, and then he might not feel comfortable if the pop-up appears again. So you can just disable it here, and you can select different templates from the settings, and and then you can just s- design in your own preference. Sorry, let me enable the charts.
Yeah,
My
make sure your battery doesn't go dead.
I just forgot to plug the charger.
I have a battery bar, just if your battery is going down, you need to buy it for.
Yeah. Okay. So I have plugged the chargers. Don't worry. Okay. Now you can just in product settings you can select the product source. So here I have right now two options. One is like latest orders. For example, you might feel that um, you would like to show the latest orders, last 5 or 10 orders in your sales pub. Or you might feel that I would like to just hand show the hand-picked products. So you can just show the hand-picked products from here that would like to promote to your customers, that you would like to get more sales. So, and you can just set the virtual name, location, and there are the visibility control. You can control it from here, and then you can control the message that are showing on the pop-up, and you can just control the looping, like how often or how frequent this will reload or just appear, and the next time display rules, notification per page, initial time display time. You can all get all the controls from here. So that's all about sales notification, and this is really helpful and very handy. Now let me go to the upsell order bump. So I have created two upsell order bump already, just as a demo. So what happens that upsell order bump, it helps uh, to is like to increase the total order value. If let me give you one example. For example, you sell your phone. So someone is purchasing phone, and in when he's going to purchase the phone, in your checkout you can show a upsell that you might need a phone case that will have 20% discount, and it will protect your phone from dust, or it will help from like any scratch. So for example, let me show you, clear the card. Hmm. Okay. So for example, I'm just going to add the product to cart and go to the checkout page, and you'll notice that here is the sunglass. So how is it working? That I have created a target product as a cap, and I have set sunglass as a offer product. So like it's a sunny day, so someone would like to get a cap to get protected from sun heat, as well as he can purchase a sunglass uh, to protect his eyes. So that's how upsell order bump works. And click on select, and then it will just add the product in the checkout. And yeah, that's how upsell order bump work. And like you can get the you can select the bump type, like any specific products or categories, and then select target products, and then you can schedule, and then you can select the offer products, and you can set the discounts here. As well as in the design section, you can control all the designs you want for your upsell order bump. So yeah, that's all about upsell order bump. And let me go to the BOGO, buy on, get on, or buy X uh, get X, and buy X get Y. Like uh, very often you'll notice that in Black Friday, or in Cyber Monday, when someone are just planning to clear the store sale, he might you might notice that they are offering that buy on get on, buy X get Y. So I have just tested set up this product as a tested, like you see a base that buy on get on, and if you click on this product, you'll notice that if you buy this, and it will get a free hoodie. So let me show you. Click add to cart. You see that there is two cap, two hoodie. There is on cap, on hoodie. You see that there is a cap price and hoodie is zero. So how BOGO actually works, and settings of BOGO and upsell order bump are quite similar. So here is the list of BOGO. You can create new BOGO item here. So you can set name, target products, and also you can just define the deal type, that is it buy X gateway or buy X gateway, and then you can just uh, complete the settings accordingly. And there are available documentation on on our site. So if any question, feel free to reach out to us, we will help you. But all the available like documentation are clear and concise. Okay, now last and final, there is stopper countdown timer. So yeah, in a preview, countdown timer is like, for example, uh, like cap to be beanie t-shirt. Okay, for example, this is a beanie, and I like to edit this product, and countdown timer. For example, 20% discount. Start discount like 16. 15, today's 15, 16. Okay, so what I'm doing here, that I'm setting a deal that will start on 15th April and in tomorrow, and here will be 20% discount. If I go to the beanie, you see there is a countdown timer, that 20% off, and just you just get this product, and there will be 20% off for this product. So that's how the uh, countdown timer actually works. And here is very main settings, and there is a documentation here how we can set that. And here is the design control. Right now we have two templates, and you can just control all the things here. And yeah, that's all about the countdown timer. And then a free shipping banner is almost something like the floating bar, that actually works as a free shipping bar based on your cart amounts, based on your total amounts. It will works like that, that you have uh, added like 15 $50, and add more $50 to get free shipping. That will provide the free shipping options. So here is the all the details documentation how free shipping actually works, so users can easily create the free shipping bar. Okay, so that's all about the presentation, and I'd like to wrap up the presentation here, and I would like to go to the question and answer session. So that's all. That's it here about the presentation.
Okay, great. Thanks. That was excellent.
Uh,
I guess we'll go back to the last question that we had before from Asif. What's your strategy to differentiate from others?
okay. So my plan is to share like comparison table and as much as details about store growth, and sometimes comparison with our competitors. so the visitors can know that what StoreGrowth offers and what others doesn't offer.
Customer data be piped through Make. If you want to consolidate my CRM and boot space.
This is related to integration, like let's say whatever data you bring in, whatever customers are going through StoreGrowth plugins,
Okay.
and they want to like have it in CRM and let's say have their flow continue through their integrations. Is it possible? Or if it's possible, when is it possible? Yeah.
Okay. So right now we don't have these features, but thanks for your feedback, and we'll consider it, and we will just assess this, and yeah, after that we'll think will it be feasible to implement.
And we use together with Gutenberg, Page Builder, Cadence, Breakdance. Yes, right? Works with everything. Just needs WooCommerce.
Yes, just we need WooCommerce. We're not dependable on any page builder.
Let's see. Store growth, support dynamic coupon. I think you show in a demo.
Okay. Dynamic coupon, for floating bar. Uh, Here we have just a coupon that uh, we can set here. Like if you have any coupons here, if you create any coupon from here, sorry. So I think that he's asking about a dynamic coupon modules.
He's asking, like, for example, if you had add this much amount in the cart, only then get the coupon enabled, or let's say if there are less products available, in the inventory, or make it dynamic. Like, of course, these are static coupons, which means if you just insert it, it will work, right? But let's
Yeah,
say it should work whenever the conditions are dynamic and they're not
yeah,
static.
yeah. That's a very nice feature, and I think that this is in our roadmap, and we are just developing priority basis. So very soon we will work on dynamic coupon.
Right. The static discount codes is old-fashioned thing. Would you like to make it dynamic? I mean, your plugin should be automatically to create. Let's see, you can show more here. Email personalized, customer's name, coupon code. I'm sure this will have a positive impact on customer. Make them
Okay.
feel more exclusive, not as generic. So something for the roadmap.
Thanks, Asif, for your feedback. Could you please just add this feedback in your roadmap feature request? So I'll appreciate that, and we will just work on that.
What about recently viewed products or back purchase product date? Can we show?
Yeah, we have recently taken that feedback, and we are working on that, and very soon we'll release that.
How does this plugin affect performance of our websites? Good question. I really want to know.
Okay, so yeah, like uh, first of all, if in a specific case we would like to create a demo or just a landing page with comparison, and so users can check, but we don't have any specific landing page that we can show you. But that is very easy and common thing that if you are using 10 plugins, or you are using one plugins that is fully powered by React, and definitely that will impact on your loading.
Yeah, there are some tools out there, some plugins that you can check which, plugins are
Yes. And
causing
also
more.
you can use query monitor to
Yeah.
check that how it's loading and how many queries are it's being loaded.
Yeah. me see if I can make this one bigger. See if again, one thing I can't find yet in any discount plugin is having reward points with multi-currency support, letting customer earn reward points on their purchase and redeem in their own currency. Merchants should be able to define value of reward point in different currencies as per their needs.
Okay. So I think that the reward points is that can be considered as a different modules. So like we can there have lots of more modules that we are planning to introduce to store growth. So in that case, we are taking time to develop and assess cost. We don't like to add too many modules that are not related to sales and conversions, but yeah, we'll just think about that modules, and then if that fit, and we'll introduce that modules.
I see your analytics dashboard.
Okay. Analytics dashboard, if you check the roadmap, that's also written that we are that's in our queue.
How do you ensure that your robust add-on package doesn't slow down WordPress WooCommerce? Yeah, this is a main concern with any plugin. Yeah, we kind of covered that on the last answer. To
Yes. Yes, that's our main one of the main slogan, that our plugin will not slow down your site, and it will improve the speed. When you just kick up 10 others different plugins and use only on plugins, definitely it will improve your site loading.
I can give you a suggestion, because if you want to enable, if you want to like eradicate this question forever, on the website, just have let's a few samples, of stores you can create, and then just showcase that we tested this out and this is the speed. So clearly it doesn't affect, right? So which means you can just direct people to this page and go and
Yes.
check for yourself, test it out. This way you don't have to like answer it every time. It's there as an FAQ, as a permanent FAQ.
good
Yeah.
idea.
Yeah, as a founder, it's really valuable feedback from the audience, and
Does a plugin work with Polylang plugin, or can all functions be translated from multi-language websites?
okay. So our plugin is ready, translatable and ready to translate. So if you use any translatable plugin, I think that there will be no issue. But specifically, we are just trying to translate the plugins in different languages, and we have started working on the Spanish language. So very soon we'll release the port, as well as we will Germanish and all other, except English, all other popular languages will add the support.
You are all the features fully accessible, WCAG, etc. in the front end?
Horse, does it mean about WCAG?
Yeah, I'm not even sure. Or is it the work
WooCommerce.
web content accessibility guidelines?
I think
Maybe.
it's a compliance.
Yeah, the compliance part.
Yeah,
So
I
it's
think
web
that.
content accessibility, the accessibility thing, where anyone who is, I think, disabled, for the disabled individuals, if the content is accessible for them.
I'm not very much aware of this, but I think that I'll just do some R&D about that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they're
this is the, I
doing
think, major US law,
in
if
the
I'm
U.S.
not wrong.
Yeah, it started, I think, in California. They're trying more and more sites. Either the sites we're building at our agency, we're trying to make it compliant. For Disabilities Act and stuff like that, and it does help the SEO. So a lot more web developers are working on this part of it.
Okay.
Let's see.
So it's commonly known as ADA and ADA compliance, and
ADA
WCAG
compliance,
is
yeah.
kind of for the whole web. So I mean, if you can just make it, I think there are plugins to make it happen. So
Yeah,
I think
the
just
ADA, there's
research
some
it.
plugins just throw in there. You can just, yeah. What about
I know
multi-language?
there was a JVZoo launch about the software. Someone just launched a JVZoo product, and they launched a second version of it. I said, dude, you're selling the software, I'm like, wow, JVZ folks can think of anything to launch.
Yeah. Yep. It's got multiple languages. Kind of covered that one, right?
Yeah, I have replied earlier that we're working on that.
Is upsell order bump work on variable product?
You'll be glad to know that based on feedback, we already have developed these features, and might be tomorrow or next day we're going to release that.
Consider add some smartness for showing coupon code, like coupons would be shown only to those who are on the fence and not to, scroll this down, everyone. For this, you need to do some sort of behavior tracking. Asif has a
So
lot
it
of
comes
questions
under the
today.
dynamic,
Yes, he's talking about
yeah.
the.
Yeah.
Let's see.
So I think it comes under the dynamic coupon thing, where
Yes,
you build it
yes.
once and you have all these features.
Thank you, founder. Thank you for your answer. I don't know if we have any more questions. I think that's it. And you might be doing a giveaway. Well, you got to pick from somebody later from the comments, I guess, or however you want to do it.
Yeah, Mehdi, I think we give you this opportunity. You have people right now if you want to pick anyone or you would like to come back and pick. We give it up to
And,
you.
and what are you going to give away? What one code of something? I hope StoreGrowth.
Yeah, still good.
Yeah.
One code. Pick whoever you want to win this.
So it is really tough to manually pick someone.
You can announce it later. We could put it in a post.
Yeah,
You
you
know,
can announce it later.
or that would probably be
Yeah,
the
yeah.
whoever you thought gave you good questions, feedback, grilled you. You have the cold now, so we don't want to push you too far.
Okay, sure. I think that later we can just announce that.
Okay, cool. I think that's it, right? Anything else, guys? You can go to Rocket Hub. I shared the link in the comments for the deal. You have a discount,
Perfect.
10% going on for another 5 days or so.
Yep. We have Store Growth Extra 10. This is the discount code, and the deal is actually ending this weekend. So make sure that you go ahead and grab it right now. Otherwise, maybe we take it off, and you won't get it. So
Yeah.
go ahead and grab it from Rocket Hub. You have time till this Sunday, EST, midnight EST. So that's it. Post that, it's gone forever from Rocket Hub.
Wow. That's it. I might create some FOMO.
Yeah. I
All
just
right.
add one, Store Growth FOMO, like that would kill. All
All
right,
right.
perfect. It was
Thanks,
amazing.
Mahedi. Thank you so much for doing this. Drink some, take some vitamin C, some soup, maybe a lemon in it. Clear it up. And I really appreciate your time going through all this.
Yeah, thanks for your
Yep.
suggestions. I'll do that. And actually, today it was tough to speak, but I love the audience. I speak to the audience. So yeah, I think that so far I have explained it will help them to understand store growth, and I'll request all the audience that they support us, and we'll add more valuable features so they can enjoy.
All right. Thank you,
All right.
Karan, also, as always, buddy.
Thank thanks, Joe. I think it's the eggheads that make us cool. So thanks all the eggheads and thanks all the Rocketeers and even people from Store. I think some people here are already owning Store Growth right now. So even they joined in, if I'm not wrong. So thank you so much for your support. And yeah, we'll see you next for next LoudEgg webinar.
Cool. Yeah. Thank you.